Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make ebooks using Pages as well as iTunes. And we're going to do that in order to be able to use our iOS device, such as an iPad, in order to look at our ebook in iBooks. So the first thing that you would want to do is to open Pages and to type your story. Make certain that you do not include any images, and there's no need to make your font fancy in any way, because what we're going to be doing is creating an ePub. And when you make an ePub, it changes the formatting back to a very simple text format. At the top of the Pages menu, you'll see Share to the left of the word Help. You'll need to click on that, and then you'll need to select Export when your story is complete. Then you want to choose ePub, give your ePub a title, select the genre, put your name or the student's name as the author. There's no need to check the box that says use first page as book cover image, because we're actually going to do that ourselves in a moment. Click Next to move to the next step. You're going to save it as the title and then click Export. It does not matter where you do this, but you can do this in Documents for easy exportation and finding it later. A warning may appear to you at this point about formatting changes that have happened with your style settings. No worries, that's exactly what happens when you're turning a Pages document into an ePub. So now we're going to be working in iTunes. We're going to take the ePub that we created and we're going to pull it off the computer and add it to our library in iTunes. So when you open iTunes, select File and then go to Add to Library. Then you'll need to find the document that you created for your ePub and click Choose. Click Books in the iTunes library, which is over on the left-hand side, in order to find your ePub. You will not be able to view it on the computer, so no need to double-click. You'll see that in the center I have mine selected. The book is titled Montlu and the author is GCS. Then in iTunes, you'll want to go to File and Get Info. This is going to give us some information about our ePub that we have now added to our library. Before we move it over to the device, we would like to go ahead and add artwork to it. And the artwork that we're choosing could be student work, could be images that have been made, snapshots, screenshots, anything that you would like to go with the particular ebook that you've created. So you'll click on Artwork and then you'll click Add, and then you will go find the saved image that you would like to use for the cover. This should be something that you already have on your flash drive or on your computer saved ready to go. Select that particular image and then click Choose. Now you'll notice that my ePub, my ebook, now has an image to go with it. What I want to do now is I want to move it over to my iPad so that I can view it in iBooks. So all you have to do is to left click on your book and drag it over to the device. You'll notice the device box has my name on it, Amy Todd's iPad, and that there is a 1 showing that I'm moving one item over to that device. Now we can actually go to iBooks on our iPad and find the new ePub that we created as an ebook or iBook. If you currently have the PDF collection open, you may need to click on Collections over on the left-hand side of the screen, and once you tap that, you will be able to tap on Books to see the books that you have. Once I tap open my book, then it opens just as any other book, and I have options to work with the brightness as well as the font size, so you can increase the size as much as needed to assist with any visibility. You also have a search function and a bookmark tool. And then you have the other features that we love so much about iBooks, including the dictionary and the built-in notes. So that's a little bit about how to create an ePub.